Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Giovanni Dennis. Jamaicans faced annual inflation of 9.7% in the transport sector for the 12 months to May this year. Looking at May alone, the Statistical Institute of Jamaica, STATIN, says costs related to the transport division fell by 0.1% over April. STATIN says this was driven by a 0.8% decline in the prices for fuel and lubricants for personal transport equipment. Lower petrol prices mainly influenced the price movements. Local petroleum marketing company FESCA says it's open to future opportunities to raise capital through the stock market. FESCA's managing director Jeremy Barnes says it's something the company will explore at the right time.
We're constrained by the junior market. We raised $400 million at the first IPO. There's been announcements for the increase of the cap to go to $750. We believe that when those regulations are published and from the opportunities there, yes, we do.
You would take a look at that.
Yeah.
When he opened the budget debate in March, Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clark announced an increase in the earning cap for companies looking to list on the junior market of the Jamaica Stock Exchange. He said the maximum participating voting share capital for the junior market would move to $750 million Jamaican dollars, up from $500 million. The measures are expected to take effect this calendar year. Meanwhile, FESCA says it has increased its production and distribution capacity for liquefied petroleum gas, LPG, or cooking gas. Mr. Barnes says 2 new distribution plants were recently commissioned.
We actually own some of the manufacturing. So we have 2 of the LPG filling plants. They're located at Bernard Lodge and in Nago's Head, St. Catherine. We've also commissioned 2 new sites, one in Discovery Bay and one in Stony Hill. So, our footprint of LPG plants as at today is about 4. We just finished commissioning those. And that distribution, goes through to dealers. Some of those filling plants will distribute to dealers and also to customers directly.
He was speaking at a recent Mayberry Investor Forum. The price of all categories of fuel will increase effective Thursday. Each litre of 87 and 90 gasoline will sell for $2.66 more. Diesel will rise by $1.65. Ultra-low sulfur diesel will go up by $1.68. Kerosene will cost 99 cents more. Propane will increase by $1, while $1.24 will be added to the cost of butane. Each gas station will make these adjustments, which include a markup on the ex-refinery rate offered by Petrojam. The rates are influenced by the U.S. Gulf reference price. Foreign exchange trading ended today with banks and Cambio selling the American dollar for an average $156.84. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $115.85. $200.45 is the average value of the pound, while the euro is going for $170.15. The JC index advanced by 1,434 points, while the junior market rose by 31 points. Among the 62 winners were A.S. Bryden & Sons Holdings US dollar shares, Productive Business Solutions US dollar ordinary shares, Medical Disposables and Supplies, A.S. Bryden & Sons Holdings, and Cargo Handlers. The 31 losers included Cygnus Credit Investments US dollar ordinary shares, T-Tech, MFS Capital Partners, Paramount Trading, Jamaica, and Edufocal, 20 stocks traded firm. And that's the Business Day. I'm Giovanni Dennis. Good evening.